I believe we're jumping timelines. Something just happened. Watch this.
Imagine the Earth's natural frequency going completely dark for 36 hours. And then, as suddenly as it disappeared, it spiked to a shocking power 51 just before 13 UTC. This isn't something we see every day. In fact, it's unprecedented. Schumann resonance is often described as Earth's heartbeat. It's a measurement of electromagnetic activity in the ionosphere, constantly fluctuating at around 7.83 Hertz. But during this 36-hour blackout, those frequencies vanished.
We have a magnetic field around the Earth. In fact, we all have magnetic fields all around our entire bodies. We do have a crystallite. So do birds, migratory, and so do butterflies, migratory, have this crystallized version in their beak. We also have it right about here. Yes, our third eye. Scientists have meters all over the Earth to measure this magnetic field that is around our planet. They are called flux gate magnetometers. Say that 10 times fast. Proton magnetometers. What that means is we just had a solar flare that was so strong, 95% strong, which is very uncommon. It's called a class C. So unlike what this commentator is dramatizing, we cannot completely go in a blackout. Otherwise, we would be exposed to radiation and we would die. Did you feel a surge of energy in the last couple of days? You find yourself exhausted, tired? Are you over-dramatized with what's going on in the world? Are you over-traumatized? Do you find yourself healing some trauma right now? Or some trauma is suddenly surfacing? When the magnetic field goes quite low, we suddenly feel disconnected. So the solar flare was high, but it was knocking out our magnetic field. Not completely. It's just low.
A blackout of this magnitude for nearly a day and a half is unheard of. Typically, we only see slight dips or increases in the frequency.
Why did that happen? Something similar like that happened when, NASA sent a ship all the way to Pluto. Not once, but twice. It wanted to study Sirius A and Sirius B, which is a binary system that overlaps with ours. They have their own sun. It's coming close to our own sun. And every time they got to a certain point, there was no people in it. The cameras stopped. Everything stopped. They weren't allowed to get too close. Something interfered with it. What do I think's happening? I believe we're jumping timelines. We are. We're jumping timelines. Everything's happening faster than the speed of light. Everything. Politics, our own physical self, our Earth, our world, everything. I believe this is the split, what I've called the Great Divide. This is not a bad thing. This means that all you that want to live this way are going to go that way, and all you that want to live that way are going to go over that way. With your own technology, and your own inventions, and your own way of living, and your own eating, your own medical system, your own governing system, we are beginning that timeline jump right now. What do you think?